How to turn off ask permission on App Store. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily turn off your ask permission on your App Store. So if you are a child watching this video, this issue might be related due to the permission being disabled or changed by your parents. So whenever you try to get any applications like this by adding get button over here, it might ask you to about permission being should be granting. It might ask you to about the permission from your parents. So to fix that issue, what you can do is just head over to your parents iPhone and get inside their settings, and once you're inside settings, just click on the first profile, and from over here just click on this family sharing button and just click on it. And as you can see, in this case I don't have any family members, but you must be seeing your name inside your parents mobile name, which must be over here. So you have to click on your account, not the family main organizer account, but your account. So from here you just have to click on your account, and then there will be option called, and once you click on your account there should be option called ask to buy. So once you click on it, and you will be seeing option called require purchase approval. So you just have to disable that option if it's enabled, and then you will have successfully turned off your ask permission on your App Store. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.